Emma has a favorite park in her neighborhood. Every Sunday morning she visits the park. Today, as she enters the park, she notices something new. A small group of people is standing near a tree. They are looking up and pointing. Emma is curious. She walks closer to see what is happening. As Emma gets closer, she sees a bird's nest high in the tree. A mother bird is feeding her baby birds. The baby birds chirp loudly. They are very hungry. Emma smiles. She loves watching birds. It is a beautiful sight. After watching the birds, Emma decides to walk around the park. The park is big and green. There are many trees and flowers. Emma sees people jogging, some walking their dogs, and children playing. Everyone seems happy. Emma feels calm and relaxed. Emma finds her favorite bench near the pond. She sits down and takes out a book. Emma loves to read. The pond is peaceful. Ducks swim slowly across the water. Emma reads a few pages and then closes her book. She likes to watch the ducks, too. As Emma sits, she sees an old friend walking by. Her friend's name is Sarah. They wave and smile at each other. Sarah comes over and sits next to Emma. They talk and laugh. It has been a long time since they met. Emma and Sarah share stories about their week. They talk about work, family, and their plans for the summer. Emma is happy to see Sarah. She enjoys talking with her. After some time, they decide to go for ice cream. There is a small ice cream cart in the park. Emma orders chocolate, and Sarah orders vanilla. They sit on the grass and eat their ice cream. The sun begins to set. The sky turns orange and pink. Emma thinks it is a perfect day, a day full of simple joys. As they finish their ice cream, Sarah says she must leave. They hug and promise to meet again soon. Emma walks towards the park exit. She feels happy and relaxed. She thinks about the birds, the ducks, and her chat with Sarah. It was a good day. Emma looks forward to coming back next Sunday. The park is a special place for her. Emma arrives home. She feels tired but happy. She thinks about her day. It was simple but wonderful. Emma smiles and prepares for bed, knowing she will dream of the park.